Quiet office! Sarah felt a tickle in her nose. She turned away from her coworkers and sneezed. Achoo! At that precise moment, a loud fart escaped echoing like a trumpet. Her face turned crimson as she glanced around, hoping no one had noticed. But her best friend Jake burst into laughter, pointing at her. Did you just sneeze, or is that a new party trick? Mortified Sarah contemplated her next move. Should she make a run for the restroom? Was it worth changing her underwear over a little accident? She took a deep breath, grinned, and declared, "It's just a sneeze with a surprise." Laughter erupted, and suddenly the embarrassment didn't seem so bad.